Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to language learning. As you know, this is Sepedi Lessons channel. So today we are going to be naming action verbs in Sepedi languages. So we are going to be looking at our everyday actions, and we are going to be learning how to call them or how to name them in Sepedi languages. So without the waste of time, let's go right in with our today's video. So the first one we have read. What does read mean in Sepedi? So read means vala. Read means vala. I am reading a book. Ke bala buku. I am reading a book. Ke bala buku. Read, vala. Then next one we have write. So write means ngwala. Write means ngwala. I am writing. Ke a ngwala. I am writing. Ke a ngwala. Write means ngwala. The next one we have talk. What does talk mean in Sepedi? Talk means vulela. Talk means vulela. I am talking. Ke a vulela. I am talking. Ke a vulela. Talk means vulela. The next one we have sing. Sing means opela. Sing means opela. I am singing. Ke a opela. I am singing. Ke a opela. Sing means opela. The next one we have dance. So dance means vina. Dance means vina. I am dancing. Ke a vina. I am dancing. Ke a vina. Next one we have eat. What does eat mean in Sepedi? So eat means ija. Eat means ija. I am eating. Ke aja. I am eating. Ke aja. Eat means ja. Eat means ja. The next one we have drink. Drink means enwa. Drink means enwa. I am drinking. Ke anwa. I am drinking. Ke anwa. Drink means enwa. Drink means enwa. I am drinking. Ke a. Next one we have think. So think means nagana. Think means nagana. I am thinking. Ke a nagana. I am thinking. Ke a nagana. Think means